Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on finding the equation of a parabola when the turning point is given. Now I added this example just to show you how confusing this can get. Now the question reads, a parabola has a maximum value minus 6 when x is equal to minus 2. Now that translates to this is a turning point because a maximum value is the y of the turning point. So in fact, that is your q value. And then when they say when x is minus 2, that means that's the corresponding x coordinate where the turning point's y coordinate is minus 6. So this x is equal to minus 2 translates to p's value, the x and the y of the turning point. Then the parabola has a value of minus 8 if x is equal to minus 3. So what they're trying to say here is that one is a coordinate, just a normal coordinate, minus 3, minus 8. And then the question, determine the equation of the parabola in the form f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So now it is as if they want to confuse you further. This bit over here, this is not the equation that you're going to use to give me the equation of the parabola. That is the form in which you will answer in the end. So you will stick to your knowledge, use whatever formula you have to find the equation of the parabola, and then in the end you will give it to me in that form. Now let's see. What's given is the turning point, as I said, the point minus 2, minus 6, and another point, negative 3, negative 8. So therefore, the turning point, negative 2, this is p's value, negative 6, this is q's value. And this other point is just a normal point on your parabola consisting of an x and a y. Let's substitute into the formula. Y is equal to a bracket x minus b squared plus q. Why this formula? Because this is a type 3. This is the formula that you're going to use when the turning point is given. So we substitute. You use plenty of brackets, especially here on the minus 2 for p's value. And then in q's place, the negative 6. And it becomes y is equal to a bracket x plus 2 squared minus 6. And then to find a's value, this is where we're going to substitute in this other point, minus 3, minus 8, consisting of an x and a y. In y's place, we substitute minus 8 equals a, and in x's place, we substitute negative 3 plus 2 squared minus 6. And then we solve a. Inside the bracket here, you can say minus 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Squared becomes just a. Minus 6 on the right hand side. Let the minus 6 walk across to the left hand side and it becomes negative 8 plus 6 is equal to a, and a's value is negative 2. Then we will use this formula, this part of the formula, to give the correct answer. And you will also see in y's place, I substituted f of x because this is what they wanted. They wanted it in the form f of x. And then equals, a's value is negative 2 bracket x plus 2 squared minus 6. And then they wanted it in standard form. So now you first have to multiply out your two brackets, this x plus 2 squared, and it becomes x squared plus 4x plus 4. In goes the negative 2, and it's minus 2x squared minus 8x minus 8. And then you add your two like terms, the two constants. Negative 8, negative 6 is negative 14. And there's your equation of your parabola in their form, which is standard form. So the point here is that you must understand the word's maximum value translates to the y-coordinate of the turning point. And then you do your thing, you use the appropriate formula, and then in the end, you give it to them in whatever form they were requesting. Have you subscribed yet? And feel free to like my video. In the next video, I will discuss how to work out the point of intersection of two graphs. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.